Good morning. My name is Anu. I have taken this 30 days challenge with myself. So, in these 30 days, I need to improve my language, my confidence, my body language, and in 30 days, I want to get a new job, and I just want to give new tracks to my business. So I just want to know, friends, I just started this e-commerce business just 1 month ago. So I am working on it. I have started my this business on all e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Third is Meesho. So it's just started one and a half month ago. So it's a starting stage. So nowadays no improvement in this. So I just started SEO work on my this Meesho platform, Meesho panel. So before that I was just listing of my products, just normally listing like a woman kurta set is only. So I was just posting these photos, and then after uploading the photos, and along with this just keyword was using like kurti with pant, kurti with this like trouser. So after it I just get knowledge through social media that this is a work of SEO. So now I am doing with SEO keywords. So I'm using SEO words more and more. So with the help of these SEO word now, so I just seen the improvement in my this panel. So now the number of orders also increased. So this is the 30. So that's why I said now I have taken, friends, 30 days challenge with myself to improve my language, to improve my confidence, to improve and to forecast of my business, how I can do, what should I do, and how I can improve with this. And second thing is I just resigned last month in my existing company. So by the god of grace I'm searching job also. I don't have any fear like I will not get job. I know I will get job. I have the confidence. So I just want to share some ideas to whoever searching jobs and who are jobless and who just pass out the degrees and colleges. So how we can identify the jobs and in which platform we can go and which platform we can use, and what is the salary budget, and how we can do good with our experiences. Third thing is I just taken 30 days challenge to make myself a good speaker, because I want to be a good lead in the good leadership, who can speak well, who can retain the people, who can address the audience. So this is my aim, to do good and to complete this challenge. Please, friends, be with me and support me and keep watching my videos and always like my videos. So this is all about related to my challenge. Now I just want to tell, friends, you like I am from this Gurgaon region, and I know the rural area of this Gurgaon area. So if anyone need any help regarding the job searching, regarding the how to sell and purchase the things, so I can help in a better way, because I worked very hard on ground levels. So this where I can help you. This is the field where I can help you, friends. So whoever is needy, please contact me and can share your what we can say, like comment on comment box. So I can easily catch out their comments, or also I can you people can provide your contact numbers through WhatsApp. We can in touch. So जस्ट जाते जाते थोड़ा सा कहना चाहती हूँ, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया, तू ज़रा हिम्मत तो कर। ख्वाब बदल देंगे हकीकत में, तू ज़रा कोशिश तो कर। सो यही है। और एक और चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी कि कागज़ अपनी किस्मत से उड़ता है, कागज़ अपनी किस्मत से उड़ता है, पतंग अपनी काबिलियत से। सो इसलिए किस्मत साथ दे या ना दे, काबिलियत हमेशा साथ देगी। तो किस्मत पे भरोसा मत करो, अपने आप को ऐसा डेवलप करो कि आपके अंदर वो खूबियाँ आए, लोग पहचाने। नहीं, लोग पहचानेंगे तो खुद पे खुद आपके पास वो अवसर चल के आएंगे जिनको आना चाहिए आप तक, और आपकी लाइफ में उनकी ज़रूरत है, ठीक है। और जिनको ज़रूरत है आपकी, वो आपके पास ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएंगे। तो किसी भी चीज़ के पीछे भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ अपना 110% दो, बाकी छोड़ दो नेचर पे, ठीक है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई जस्ट was taken 5 minutes challenge before 5 minutes. Now the 5 minutes challenge completed. Now this is 6 minutes. So you people just watch my video, keep watching, and please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you everyone.